How to remove the EGR tube so that you can remove plastic intake on your 1997 Ford Explorer 4.0 engine. This EGR tube is metal into the plastic. Now you can't take that out of there because you're just going to break. You have to take it off down the EGR. Now the EGR is this flying saucer looking thing. So there's two bolts that you're going to have to reach down under the backside of the EGR that bolt into a metal bracket. So once you get those loose, you only have three more nuts to go. So you can see right there in the middle of the screen, there's a stud, and that's right there where my finger is pointing to. There's a 13mm nut. You take that off, and that holds the dipstick tube in place. You either have to pull the dipstick tube up high enough, or you're going to have to bend that bracket up. You get that out of the way, there's another nut underneath there. Take that nut off, and then there's another nut right underneath this metal pipe here, and you can take the intake off, and this metal tube will stay on the plastic intake. You just pull the whole assembly out.